Okay, for today's video, we are celebrating Kuya Marion's 10th birthday. O, saan tayo pupunta? Punta po kami ng SM Marilao para maglaro sila ng kanyang mga pinsan sa Kids Luna. So, abangan niyo po ang paglalaro ng mga bata. Simpleng celebration pero meaningful. See you later!
I'm dito celebrate birthday ko.
Together with Pastor.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Say, wait, they don't